Positive affirmations have the incredible power to reshape our mindset and perspectives, fueling a more optimistic and resilient outlook on life. By uttering positive statements regularly, we can reprogram our subconscious thoughts, banishing self-doubt and negativity. These affirmations act as a catalyst for personal growth and self-empowerment, fostering a can-do attitude and enhancing overall well-being. Through this transformation, individuals often experience heightened confidence, renewed motivation, and a greater sense of purpose. Such a shift has the potential to manifest positive changes in all aspects of life, from relationships and career to health and happiness. Before creating positive affirmations, it's vital to identify the areas in our lives that require an infusion of positivity and self-assurance. This introspective process involves pinpointing specific areas, such as self-image, relationships, career, or health, where we seek personal development and an uplift in confidence. By recognizing these focal points, we can tailor our affirmations to address and uplift these crucial aspects. This step serves as the foundation for a more targeted and effective affirmation practice, ensuring that our statements align with our aspirations and contribute to comprehensive self-improvement. Crafting effective affirmations involves understanding the fundamental elements that make them impactful. By using the present tense, we ensure that our mind perceives these statements as a current reality, reinforcing a positive and proactive approach to manifesting our desires. Specificity is crucial, as it clarifies our intentions and directs our focus toward distinct objectives, amplifying the affirmation's potency. Furthermore, aligning affirmations with our core beliefs and values enhances their resonance, bolstering our conviction in their validity and potential to drive meaningful change. These components collectively contribute to the creation of affirmations that wield genuine influence over our thoughts and actions. Repetition plays a pivotal role in fortifying the impact of affirmations, ingraining them deeply into our subconscious mind. By consistently reiterating these positive statements, we create a mental environment that fosters belief and determination, propelling us towards the realization of our aspirations. Moreover, visualization acts as a powerful companion to repetition, as it allows us to vividly imagine the fulfillment of our affirmations, igniting heightened motivation and embedding a strong sense of possibility within our psyche. This combination of repetition and visualization serves as a dynamic catalyst for fostering substantial and enduring positive changes in our lives. Incorporating affirmations into our daily routine is essential for their transformative potential to unfold. By seamlessly integrating them into our day, such as reciting them during morning rituals or incorporating them into meditation practices, we ensure consistent exposure to their positive influence. This regularity reinforces our commitment to personal growth and bolsters the affirmation's impact. Additionally, cultivating a steadfast belief in the effectiveness of affirmations is paramount, as it instills unwavering confidence in their ability to instigate meaningful change. Embracing these practices with dedication and conviction can lead to tangible and profound shifts in our mindset and overall well-being.